I'm Brian with AllGuard Windows and Doors, and we're in beautiful northern Colorado, and today we're going to be going over a full gut installation method. Check it out. To start it off, we're going to inspect the interior and the exterior. We're going to go ahead and start removing the interior casing and any jambs and parts of the wood window, the sashes, etc. We're getting down to the studs on this one. While this is taking place, any exterior trim, if applicable, is going to be removed as well. With this installation type, there's a lot of steps in the process involved. AllGuard Windows and Doors is the only company in the area that offers this type of installation type. Once we get everything out, we're clean out the cavity, we're now down to the studs. We're going to vacuum that out for any debris. We're going to make sure that there's no rot, mold, or mildew prior to putting on our membrane tape around the entire cavity. Once this membrane tape is applied, we can then go ahead and set the new window. When that window is set, we can put membrane tape on the exterior fin, check for level, plumb, and square, and then start building our jamb extensions. The jamb extensions are crucial because it's going to fill that void between the new vinyl or fiberglass window to the interior drywall where our casing is going to go. Once the jamb extensions are applied, check for level, plumb, and square. We're then going to head and cut our casing, case out the entire interior, checking for the reveals to make sure they line up. Once this is complete, we'll be putting in the exterior trim with our drip cap to make sure that any water that gets behind there can flash out. After this process, we'll then go ahead and caulk in both the interior and the exterior. This is now ready for paint. If you have any further questions or need further explanation, please direct those with your consultant.